see changes with this particular product, you need to simplify your routine first. Also helps in controlling the oil production in your skin. Have you been using Access-Wise dark spot correcting serum and seeing no results? Then you are not alone in this. Even I have tried this product and today I'm here with my review and I'll break down exactly why it might not be working for you. In fact, the common mistakes and how you can actually make this product more effective for your skin. Along with that, I'm also going to share the better alternatives that you can use if this serum is not working for you. If you have been wondering whether to keep using this serum or to switch to something else, then keep on watching. Now, before we talk about why this serum might not be working, let's go over what this serum actually supposed to do. So the serum contains 5% of niacinamide that helps with brightening your skin, and it also includes rice bran extract for gentle exfoliation along with squalane that provide deep hydration and moisture into your skin. And this serum is a lightweight formula that gets absorbed into your skin within seconds. This is like the most amazing serum texture. Sounds amazing, right? Skincare is never one size fits all. So let's get into the real reason why this might not be working for you. Number one, you are expecting quick results. Now, dark spot doesn't fade overnight. So if you are using this serum only for a couple of weeks and expecting major change in your result, you might be disappointed here. Because hyperpigmentation can take anywhere between 6 to 12 weeks to fade away. So using it consistently is the key. And one more thing, since this product is very gentle on the skin and it only contains minimal ingredient list so that it is appropriate for sensitive skin, it is not that effective. It's gonna take even longer to show changes in your skin. Number two, you are using too little product. Now, if you are just applying a tiny drop because it is expensive or because of some other reasons, then you may not see changes in your skin because you need to apply an appropriate amount, especially on your dark spots, to see the actual results on your skin. So what is the required amount? You need to use at least one full pump of this product on your dark spots. This is not a product in which you use a pea-size amount. You need to apply generously in order to see the results. Number three, which is applicable to almost every single serum available in the market, which is no sunscreen, no results. I know it's a little harsh truth because a lot of us still are not able to incorporate sunscreen in our life every single day. But if you're not applying sunscreen and if you're having dark spots, then this is a killer combination because sun usually makes your spots even more darker. So there is nothing that can work for your skin if you are not regular with your sunscreen usage. So take it very, very, very seriously. Number four, your dark spots might be too stubborn. Now, let me tell you one thing, not all dark spots fade away with niacinamide. If you have melasma or deep post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, you might need strong ingredients like vitamin C, alpha-arbutin, retinols to fade away these stubborn dark spots. And if you are using a serum like this, which is very mild, it is not gonna be effective for your skin. This serum is basically made for people who have sensitive skin who cannot use stronger ingredients on their skin. Number fifth, your routine might be disrupting. Now, I've talked about this so many times in a lot of different videos that make sure you are using only one active ingredient and rest of your skincare is basic. And from basic, I mean no AHAs, BHAs or any kind of acid. There is only one acid or one stronger ingredient allowed in your skincare routine in order to see changes in your skin. If you are layering this product with strong actives like AHAs, BHAs or retinol, your skin might be too irritated to heal. So if you want to see changes with this particular product, you need to simplify your routine first. And the best thing that you can do is pair this product with hydrating products like a hydrating toner and follow up with a hydrating moisturizer. And lastly, it might just not work for your skin type. That is very, very simple but very, very controversial thing when it comes to skincare is that not all products work for everyone. Something that works amazing for me might not be working that well for someone else who have dry skin just like I do. So that is why skincare is very subjective. So if you are using this product for 2 to 3 months and your skin isn't responding to this, then it's okay. You need to move on and try something else that works for your skin. Now, if you still want to give this serum a fair chance, here's what you should do. Use this product twice daily, both in your morning and nighttime skincare routine for at least 8 weeks. Secondly, apply generously. Don't just use a pea-size amount when using this product. Third, always wear sunscreen no matter if you're using this serum or any other serum. or if you're not having any skincare product, apply your sunscreen, guys. It's really important. Lastly, keep your skincare routine as simple as minimal when using this product. Your skincare should only include toner, this serum, and a moisturizer. No fancy 10-step or 5-step skincare routine. So if this serum is not working for you, don't worry. Here are some alternatives that might work better for dark spots and hyperpigmentation. The first and a very popular serum is from the House of Ordinary. It's their Alpha Arbutin 2% serum. Now there was a time when this product was completely sold out because of the amazing results it shows on dark spots. It is a really effective serum, contain 2% of alpha arbutin. That is a very important ingredient when dealing with dark spots and hyperpigmentation. Number 2, NOA niacinamide serum, because that contains 10% of niacinamide and 4% of tranexamine acid along with other ingredients like arbutyl, squalene. Now the percentage of niacinamide is very high in this particular product, and I've compared these two serums also in one of the videos, so you can check that out as well. But this is a very concentrated serum, specially made for people who are dealing with post-acne marks, hyperpigmentation. This is again a very lightweight texture, also helps in controlling the oil production in your skin. And lastly, we have the Good Molecules Discoloration. Now this serum has not been very popular in the Western market, I would say, but it is really popular in Korea because this is again one of the best serum in removing dark spots and hyperpigmentation from your skin. It is very effective, and the ingredient that this product contain are majorly focuses on the discoloration, and that is what the name says also, discoloration correcting serum. So this is again a really good option, so you can choose whatever fits in your budget. And also before choosing any of this, just check the ingredient list on the website so that you know what you are putting on your skin. So does the XSY Dark Spot Serum works? Well, it totally depends on your skin type and the skincare routine that you are following. So if it's working for you, amazing, and if it's not, don't be afraid to try the other options available. So have you tried this serum? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Let's chat there if you still have any questions regarding this product. And lastly, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Bye.